Hi, it's Zach, and I'm super excited to bring you today's deal on the Barbasol all-in-one trimmer and shaver. This is a really great tool for grooming your beard, mustache, sideburns, and even your body hair. At the lowest setting, this is actually going to trim you down to a close stubble. Either you like that look, or you want to get it down far enough where you can have a nice, comfortable shave. Now, what's great about this is that it's actually dual-sided, so you can go up or down with it, and it's comfortable to use against the grain or along with it. Now, the key to this thing is that you can actually use it wet or dry. So you can shave up while you're in the shower, while your hair is nice and hot and the stubbles are pointing outward for a nice, easy, clean shave. You can use this with or without shaving cream, so it's super versatile. Now, this also comes with 4 different blade guards that go to different lengths. Now, the sizing is on the website. It is in millimeters. What I suggest if you're using it for the first time on, let's say, your chest hair, you're going to want to start with the highest setting and work your way down to see what's most comfortable for you. Also included with this kit is a bottle of oil to keep the blade nice and lubricated so it never snags, and a brush to clean the hairs out when you're done shaving. Now, this is a quality piece by Barbasol, and they're so confident in this product that they're actually going to give you a 2-year extended warranty. This is a powerful trimmer that actually runs on 1 AA battery, which does not come included. However, this is perfect for travel. You don't have to worry about any chargers or cords. You can throw this right into your toiletry bag and bring it with you. We have a fantastic deal on this shaver, so head on over to the site and grab one today.